Hi friends, my name is Narsimha and I'm studying my BTech in IRE College. Today, as a part of my AIT Tech Talk videos in the subject of web application and development, I want to share a few knowledge with you in the topic name Design and Development of an Interactive Medical Teleconsultation System over the World Wide Web, which is shortly abbreviated as WWW. Introduction. The objective of the medical teleconsultation system presented in this paper is to demonstrate the use of the World Wide Web (WWW) for telemedicine and interactive medical information exchange. The system, which is developed based on Java, could provide several basic Java tools to fulfill the requirements of medical applications, including a file manager, data tool, bulletin board, and digital audio tool. The digital audio tool uses point-to-point structure to enable two physicians to communicate directly through voice. So, in this session, I want to explain about the usage of the main motto of a medical consultation presented is to demonstrate the use of World Wide Web. And in many of the medical applications, the Java tools are very used to fulfill the requirements of medical applications. So, next. A medical teleconsultation system is a system for used by physicians to study the medical data of a special case through which he or she can consult with other physician on the case and send back his or her individual or group diagnostic report about the case. The activities are carried out through a teleconsultation system over a communication network. We all are aware of the medical services which are available on online or World Wide Web, which also know in our day-to-day life. For example, booking an appointment or getting our medical records or getting to an diagnostic center or getting to a report of our test in the diagnostic center, World Wide Web is very much useful to us. So I want to explain about that topic in this session. The teleconsultation system could enable a physician in a remote clinical center to deal with special cases by consulting with experts at a high-level clinical center. By this procedure, it could take less time delay for the physician to arrive at the diagnostics, which could seriously affect the outcome of the treatment. For a patient in an outlying community, a teleconsultation system provides better and more convenient medical service than ever before. For example, for a physician to treat a patient, if we want the medical records of a patient and they are in the diagnostic center, so if there is no teleconsultation system, so it will take a time delay for the treatment and it could not give a better treatment as there is a delay. So by this teleconsultation system, the records can be get to the physician of the patient very easily and in an efficient manner. And by this teleconsultation system, the treatment given to the patient or for a patient in an outlying community, a teleconsultation system provides a better and more efficient medical service because there is a less time delay and more efficient manner and more efficient result can be shown by this type of system, and that is very much useful for that type of situations. For example, this is a pictorial representation, a small example. There is a tele-surveillance, tele-diagnostics and tele-treatment, tele-triage and tele-monitoring, telemedicine application model, telesurgery, teleeducation and teleconferencing, teleradiology. So all are interlinked by a single word, that is tele. So first of all, what is the small meaning of a tele? Over a large, long distance or far away. This is an example. Means to overcome the distance, to reduce the effort of a person, to reduce the effort of a human being, to give more results, more efficient results in a nice manner and clear manner, this tele-surveillance or teleconsultation system of medical industry is used. Next, the methods involved in this. The development strategy of the teleconsultation system is to form a set of Java applet tools, which we are all known of the Java applet tools, including an image system and an audio system, which can provide the required functions for medical teleconsultation applications. A. Structure of the image system. The image system consists of a file manager, a data tool, and a built-in board. These Java tools are divided into two categories. First one is system tools and next one is the data tools. The system tools deal with the system information while the data tools deal with the medical information. In this slide, I want to explain that in the image before which I have shown here consists of a file manager, a data tool, and a built-in board. These are the Java tools. These Java tools are divided into two categories, one is system tools and data tools. The major difference between the system tools and the data tools are system tools deals with the system information. While coming to the data tools, it deals with the medical information provided by the system. Next, the advantage and the disadvantages, the pros and cons. The advantage of the system tools from the data tools lies in the resulting flexibility of the system. System tools represent the system layer which connects with the other client system layers to form a uniform distributed network system. This distributed network system provides robust, means a better application interface to the data tools. Data tools represent the replication layer that relies on the system layer. Data tools can be modified according to the requirement of the system function and medical information type without changing the system layer. So, these are advantages of the system tools and the data tools. Next, communication layer. The responsibility of the communication layer is to establish reliable connections between all clients participating in a session of teleconsultation. It includes two sublayers, a point-to-point communication layer and a multi-point communication layer. The point-to-point communication layer is based on the socket network connection. Next, coordination layer. This is a slide of communication layer. Now coming to the coordination layer. The responsibility of the coordination layer is to coordinate all activities performed on the same system's resource, such as a medical image. In a teleconsultation system, every user could express his or her opinion on a case and communicate with one another spontaneously. For example, a user could make special remarks on a medical image which appear immediately on the other screen to draw their attention to the specified area on the image. The image system should provide a coordination mode to prevent access conflicts of such spontaneous activities. Second one, digital audio system. It is not convenient for users of a teleconsultation system to discuss a special case using the built-in board. This is somewhat disturbance in the built-in board, that's why it's not convenient for the users. Speaking is easier than typing for most of us, especially for the Chinese. For example, if we want to convey our feelings or our regards to someone, the typing takes more time. While speaking, we can easily in a convenient manner can convey our views to the others, and speaking makes a person to feel free and express his or her feelings. So, if users could communicate directly by voice with one another, it would indeed by such much better. To provide audio communication for users, a digital audio tool is integrated into our teleconsultation system. So, to avoid the distractions of his typing, the facility of speaking is available as a digital audio tool is integrated in a teleconsultation system. First one, standard. As Java JDK, Java database 1.02 does not support audio API application interface, we have developed our own Java audio library by defining native methods and dynamic libraries. Second one, software structure. The digital audio system is divided into two parts, phone server and phone client. The phone server runs all the time in the system to accept a connection request from or to send connection request to other phone server located at a remote place. If a connection is established, the phone server creates a phone client to handle the connection. The implementation. So here all we have seen the features, challenges, advantages, disadvantages on all of the teleconsultation system. So the implementation, how it is implemented to gain from the server to the user. To demonstrate the feasibility of the teleconsultation system developed in this work, a prototype system is being set up in our laboratory. A local network, area network, which is shortly abbreviated as LAN, connected to the campus network through a thick cable, has been set up to interconnect all of other computer systems such as Sun workstations and the PC systems. So finally, the conclusion. Here all, I want to conclude my session. That is, the interactive teleconsultation system established in this work shows the basic use of the WWW, World Wide Web, for telemedicine and interactive medical information exchange. It provides Java tools such as a file manager, an image tool, a bulletin board, and a point-to-point digital audio tool for physicians to view the medical information of a certain patient, discuss the case with other physicians, and send individual or group diagnostic reports to the system. Here all, I want to explain that this teleconsultation system is very useful for physicians to check upon the records of a patient and to communicate between two physicians about a case. And the digital audio tool is very important for a speaking purpose than the typing, to exclude the typing distractions. And it can make a man free to see all the requirements of a patient. By the teleconsultation system, the time will be reduced and the result will be more efficient than the normal times of the other than teleconsultation system. And for the convenience of physicians, we have developed an audio tool that supports point-to-point communication, which I have said before in the before slide. Our system is a WWW, World Wide Web interactive system, because a Java applet can establish a permanent network connection between a client and a server, and between one client and another client for interaction and coordination during a session of teleconsultation. It is useful for not only for physicians or to other physicians, from one client to other client, or between one client and a server, etc. So thank you, friends. I hope my lecture is useful, and hope by listening to this lecture you can understand about the use of the teleconsultation system over a World Wide Web. Thanks for listening.